ko naman na hindi niyo ko kaagad-agad mapapatawad ni Lorena eh. I am fully aware of my sins, Beth. Kaya kahit gaano pa yan katagal, okay lang sa akin, maghihintay ako. Basta patawarin niyo lang ako.
Patawarin? You want me to forgive you? Well, don't do this. Don't come into my office trying to impress me. Kung may gana kang mag-report sa akin, do it to Lorena. As I've said, siya ang boss mo, hindi ako.
I'll do that soon. It's just that wala pa si Lorena, kaya dito na muna ako sa'yo. And also, Wilfred, I'm trying to bridge the gap between us. Para hindi naman tayo awkward as friends.
Ronnie, we are no longer friends. Okay?
Buti pa si Lorena, binigyan ako ng chance. Pero ikaw, na mismong kaibigan ko, tsaka kakilala ko na matagal.
Ronnie, huwag ka nga magdrama sa akin. Come here, nagpapaawa ka pa. Sinira mo yung tiwala ko sa'yo, hindi basta-basta babalik yun. So if you have nothing more to say, please, get out of my office. Dami pang trabaho eh.